What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a new video. I've been gone for a while. I've been super busy, but I'm not even going to jump into making excuses of why I've not been here. Just know that I have been busy, you guys, and I have not had time to sit down and record and edit my video, but I'm back with a new one. So what's better late than never, right? I know you're wondering, what the heck is Jaleesa doing looking how she looking? Like, I never come on my channel just looking like this. So today I'm bringing to you, of course, if you have not watched my latest video, go ahead and do so. I'm going to start wearing my natural hair more in my videos and showing ladies with natural hair how to style it, because I've had like the worst time styling, trying to come up with ideas on how to style my hair. I honestly don't really know how to style my hair, like, you know, so since it's a new year, a new me, my hair has grown out so much. I haven't worn my natural hair in my videos in a very long time, so why not share the struggle that I deal with natural hair, trying to find ways to style it, share with ladies who are also dealing with the same struggle and ideas on how to style their hair. My hair is freshly shampooed and I'm loving what I use to shampoo my hair now. It's the Caviar Anti-Aging. I use the Color Hold conditioner, the shampoo, and I also do like a pump of the vibrancy serum after I blow dry my hair, or before sometimes, just whenever I think about it. But these are life-changing, you guys. I got these from The Real. During Christmas time, I won these and they're seriously life-changing. My hair is so bouncy. I haven't colored my hair in I don't know how long. I know it's been some years. So, you know, like the color treatment is not really helpful for me because I don't have color in my hair. I guess because it's free of like parabens, sulfates, synthetic color, it just really makes my hair super bouncy and it feels super healthy. I am actually natural as far as like perms. I haven't had a relaxer in like over 4 years. I know since I've been out of high school. I don't really remember in high school, but I'm sure I like perm edges in high school because I just used to do that. But yeah, it's been over 3 or 4 years since I've been natural. I've let all my hair grow out and I've clipped my ends, get the top out of my face. You guys, I found this really cute like it's like a headband and you wear it when you do your makeup. I got this at Burlington's for like $3 and it really helps because I don't like to get my edges dirty, and I'm sure y'all don't want y'all edges all dirty and stuff when you're doing your makeup, so it just helps to hold my edges out the way whenever I am doing my makeup. Okay, so jumping into makeup, first I'm going to use my Daily Radiance Moisturizer, and this is by Gail Heyman. And if you guys hear like stuff in the background, because I have my window open first off, and I stay like on a super busy street in Hollywood, so yeah, you're gonna hear a lot of noise today. Alright, now I'm going in with my AOA Mattifying Studio Primer. This is by Miss A. I'm not sure if I said studio primer or mattifying primer, but this is a mattifying primer by Miss A. Now I'm going to let that primer sit for about 2 minutes and let it just soak in and sink into my pores so that I can have a even, flawless foundation. I'm going to snatch these brows. I got my brows waxed. I got my brows threaded for the first time the other day, you guys, and I seriously thought I was gonna cry, but it wasn't as bad as I thought. I was actually being a drama queen. So, you know, having new fresh brows, your brows is gonna be on fleek. I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses eyebrow crayon, and I'm just gonna start carving out the shape of my brow. By the way, shout out to Moms for my new necklace that I got for Christmas. I don't know if you guys can really see, but it says Chevet, and I'm super duper in love with this necklace, you guys. I try not to wear it a lot because I don't want anything to happen to it, but it's so like, it's bling blinging. Look at it. Alright, so since I'm going for, you know, a more natural look, I'm going to go in with a concealer that is more of my skin tone to clean up my brows. This is the color Cool Tan by the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Having your eyebrows done just literally makes your makeup life so much easier. I feel like I don't think I've ever done my eyebrows this fast. Like, I'm already almost done with my brows. I go in and just blend out that concealer with my spoon brush. Them babies look so crisp and clean. Alright, now I'm going to go in with the yellow corrector in Cool Tan by LA Girl Pro and color correct all of my dark marks. And with my foundation, this is my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color Cappuccino. And I also mixed the color 310 Classic Tan by CoverGirl. And I'm using one of my favorite brushes. This is the AOA Studio High Definition brush in the number F4. This brush really helps my foundation go on as like a full coverage. Even if it's not a full coverage foundation, the brush itself really helps apply the foundation, stay in its place, and go on as a full coverage foundation. Now I'm going in with my Morphe concealer in the color Frappe, and I'm going to highlight under my eye, around my mouth with this concealer. Before we have any creasing, I'm going to go ahead and set that with my Airspun powder. Alright, after I set that with the sponge, I'm going to go in with my fluffy brush and I'm just going to set everywhere else very lightly. I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses face setting powder, and I'm going in with one of my Beauty Creations face brushes, and this powder is my skin tone, and this is just going to take away any of the translucent powder and bring its color back without leaving like a white cast. And this really helps for flashback, you guys. Like, this really helps. I have no flashback when I do this technique. Okay, moving right along to bronzing, I'm going in with my Makeup Extensions Contour Kit and a fluffy brush, and I'm going to start bronzing up my skin. Bronzing, I'm going to go into contouring. I'm using my Santee Mineral Pressed Galaxy Powder, and I'm going to be contouring with this powder today. Also going to contour my nose with this powder with my MAC 168 brush. Also going to take some of that powder along the top of my lid, since I won't be doing eyeshadow today. I'm just going to brush that powder all over my lid. And this is going to really contour my lids and just make it look really natural and put together. Alrighty, after I contour, I'm going to go back in with my Airspun powder and just clean it up a little bit. going to brush that powder away. Okay, so we're almost done for the most part. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on my lashes. It's the Miss Adoro number 110, very natural. And I'm gonna put these on off camera and then I'll be right back. Right after I pop my lashes on, I'm gonna go in with my favorite mascara ever. This is the Falsies Push Up Drama by Maybelline. And I'm going to blend my natural lashes with my falsies. Okay, moving right along to highlight. I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Illuminator in the color Nectar. And I'm going to apply this on the high points of my face. And I'm going to pop some right here on the tail of my eyebrow. I literally did not know what to say just then. And I'm also going to pop some on my tear duct. Okay, to finish off the look, I'm going to use my Master Fix Spray by Maybelline. And I'll be using the Absolute New York in dark red. Okay guys, so that completes the makeup part of this session. But let's move right along to doing this hair. If you like this look, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up before we tame this crazy hair of mine. So I'm going to use my OG flat iron. I've been using this flat iron for years, and it's a Conair Pro flat iron. I love this flat iron, you guys. It has been through hell and back with me, and it still does me justice. I'm going to take a wide tooth comb. I like to use wide tooth combs because if I use small tooth combs, I feel like it pulls my hair and puts a lot of tension on my hair. So first I'm going to pull back the top part of my hair. So I'm going to just part off the back of my hair. It's not perfect. I'm not worrying about it being perfect. And I'm just going to comb out. I'm gonna comb out the back part really good. And I'm literally gonna grab like the top part of the section and just run the flat irons through it like one time. I have my flat iron all the way up on 30 heat. After I go through it a couple times, I don't sit here and like let the heat just straighten my hair completely. I don't let it get super flat. I'm just running the flat irons through it really fast. I'm not doing the comb through method or anything. I'm just taking the sections of the hair and I'm kind of doing like a bumping motion to it. Not really too much, but more towards the end so that it'll, you know, look better when it's styled. That's all I do for the back part. The back part is going to be the most important when you want it to look really thick, because once you get to the front, you want the front to look, you know, more put together. So if you have the back styled pretty good, it's going to come off of more thick. It's going to come off as more. I cannot talk. What am I saying? Like, what am I saying right now? After I find my part, I'm basically going to do the same thing. The top part, I'm going to take my time more so because I want it to look more cleaner. Literally running the flat irons through it just a couple of times because I don't want it to be super duper flat. For the bang part, I'm going to really bump it so that it'll curl backwards once I kind of comb it out. So as you can see, I'm not really letting that heat from my flat iron. Goodness. I'm taking really big sections and doing it all together. so that it'll have like, you know, more body. I feel like if you do smaller pieces, then the flatter it's going to be, because you're concentrating on putting like a lot of heat on that one section, and it's going to get it super duper flat. I'm so sorry, you guys. I'm like over here making everything fall. After I make my part, then I'm just going back in with my flat irons. And I'm styling the rest of my hair. Girls with like thick hair, they'll go like section by section. Well, I already have thin hair, so I feel like I don't really need to do that. So I just take a lot of my hair at the same time to create body. Now this side of my hair is so much longer than this side. I'm trying to grow this side out, you guys. It's like taking forever, but it's getting there, I guess. So yeah, that's basically all, you guys. My tricks on how I get my hair more thicker and more fuller looking. I wear my hair out. A lot of people think it's like super thick, but it's really all because I don't like to press my new growth. If I press my new growth, of course it'll look longer, but it'll also look so much thinner. If I leave it more thicker at the roots, then it's going to you know, appear more thicker. All right, so for edges, I just take some of my Got To Be Glued and, you know, that good old edge brush. Woo! I never noticed how much this stuff comes out until I sit in front of a light. Okay, so I just move my bangs out the way, and I'm not really like a baby hair finger wave type girl. My edges, like my hairline, my hairline is so perfect. People honestly think I get a line because my hairline is so perfect. Like, it just goes like that. I'm not like a natural baby hair kind of girl. Sometimes I'll do, you know, a little edge or whatever, but I kind of stay away from it because it doesn't look natural on me, because I'm not really used to it. You can tell when I'm forcing those baby hairs. So yeah, I literally just take my edge control and I just brush them back. All right, ladies, that is all I have for you today. I have done a natural face and my natural hair. If you have any questions about my hair, you guys, how I grew out my hair, anything like that, leave them down in the comments and I will be sure to answer them for you. Thank you so much for the support. I hope that you enjoyed. If you like the makeup, if you like the hair, anything you like about this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up now, and also subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for coming. Peace.